Hi viewers, today I'm glad to show you my backyard garden. I have some plants here. I have plantain, I have avocado plants, and I also have a very beautiful pawpaw. Yes, have you seen the fruits? They are well arranged and so nice. I also have plantain ready to eat. Check it out. Yesterday I was so hungry. I came to my garden. I just took two of them, of the plantain, and I cooked them and I enjoy it myself. Yes, so this is my backyard garden. Today I brought you here to encourage you to do the same. I want to encourage you to start a backyard garden. You see my table and chair? I'll come to this garden and study and take fresh air. So I'm encouraging you to do the same. We are coming to look at the importance of a backyard garden. Gardening can help improve your diet. We all know that we need proper food for a healthy life. So if you have a backyard garden, you can eat fresh fruits and vegetables. So it's very important you have to do one at your backyard. Have you seen it? Taking care of plants gives people a purpose. Sometimes I go to bed thinking, hey, this avocado I planted, it's not doing well. So what can I do? So taking care of plants can also help you to have a purpose. This is cocoyam. Cocoyam, very beautiful. Yes. So I also have sugarcane. Sugarcane. Gardening also improves brain function. It can also improve your brain function, according to the National Library of Medicine. So it's good to do a backyard garden. Yes, this is my garden. I have a very beautiful banana here. I want you to see. Have you seen it? Wow, I like these bananas because they can grow very big, the fruits. Yes, this is the beautiful bananas. Raising plants teaches resilience. You have to be patient before you can take care of a garden. So it will teach you how to be patient, because you have to watch it grow step by step, and it teaches you to be patient. Growing a home garden minimizes exposure to pesticides. We all know that nowadays pesticides are common. Farmers are using them. But if you are able to grow your own garden, then you decide what chemicals or what pesticide you want to avoid and the ones you want to use. You can even use the natural ones, so you can minimize the pesticide and you grow more organic plants that you can enjoy for optimal optimum results. So this is my garden. I'm encouraging you to do one, and you will enjoy it. I also have tangerine. I have one tangerine plant here. I can't wait to see my tangerine and eat them. So this is the beautiful cocoyam I have. Please, you have to also try and do one backyard garden. Gardening can help you improve your diet. Yes, you have a lot of vegetables and fruits. Check this. I did this avocado, but it's not doing well. So I'll try again. So vegetables can help improve your diet. You know where your vegetables are coming from. You know where your banana and then the fruits are coming from. So you can enjoy. So that is it. That is a pomegranate plant. Yes. I have, you see the chickens? It has laid an egg. Yes. I decided to rear them so that I will get organic eggs to eat and feed the family too. So you can do the same. Sun exposure increases vitamin D production. So when you are in your garden working in the morning, because you are exposed to the sun, you also increase your vitamin D levels. So it's very, very important to do a backyard garden. This is susap plant. In Ghana, we call it alubuntubi. Yes, so I have this too in my garden. It has a lot of health benefits. A lot of health benefits. I also have a guava. Yes, so this is my guava in my garden. I have moringa plants also in my garden. So please, you have to start a backyard garden. I have blue tea. I like tea. So I have blue tea plants in my garden. So you can also try it. Garden is a great exercise. So instead of you staying in the room or instead of you sitting for a long time, you can also use gardening as an exercise. Planting, watering, making sure all the plants are in good shape can help you to exercise. This is my mango tree. Yeah, I have some fruit on it. So beautiful. So please, you can start your own backyard garden. I want to encourage you. My dear, you can do it. This is coconut. Coconut. It has a lot of benefits. In our next video, we are going to take the plants one by one and then see the benefits. So this is my garden. This is my garden. Said gardening prevents us from being lazy, because you always go to the garden, put things in order, make sure that the plants are doing well. So it will help you to work. It will help you to work. So I'm encouraging you to start gardening. It also helps to release stress or reduces stress, because when you go to your garden, you can be talking to your plants. Even if there is nobody, you can still talk to the plants and and it helps you to reduce stress. It's also good for mental health. So it's very, very important. You can inculcate it in your daily life, and it will help you to have a sense of purpose. So, friends, this is my garden that I showed you today, and I want you to start so that next year by this time you too you have a beautiful garden, and we can enjoy the blessings of having a garden together. Yes, these are mine. Have you seen the hen? Yeah, they are laying eggs. They are laying eggs. Yeah. You can also try if you can buy 2 of them and then start small. You can get organic meat and then organic eggs to eat and to also to feed the family. And sometimes you can also share with your community members, and you also teach them how to do the same. So please, I'm encouraging you to start gardening so that when you succeed, you will also teach other people. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. Today we have learned the importance of backyard garden. You don't need a bigger space. You just need something small. So when you buy a land to build, just leave a small space. Don't tile everywhere. Use a small space to plant. You can start with only 1 plant, and then gradually you move on. And you watch your plants grow to become a tree, and then to produce fruits and vegetables. You can share your experiences on how you started your own backyard garden. I'm interested, and the whole community is interested. So share in the comment box below. Your experience can also help other people to have interest in backyard gardening, and together you will do it together. This mango is from my mango plant. Have you seen it? Wow. So that is my mango from my backyard garden. It's so nice. It's so nice. I wish we can enjoy it together. So that is my mango from my mango plant. Don't you like it? It's from my backyard garden. That is why I want you to try. Start now and let us do it together. Enjoying it. So these are my organic eggs for my garden. As I showed you my hen, I have only 2 of them. but they laid these eggs. So check it out. These are organic eggs. You can enjoy in the house. No chemical, nothing. It's pure organic. It's pure organic. I do free range sometimes. So that is it. I have included resources and links on how to start a backyard garden. You can check it out and start your own. If you have not subscribed to our channel, Invest in Health, please do, so that together we can grow and share our experiences with each other. Like, subscribe, and share.